If you guys love online shopping, I have a tip for you. Use ShopBack. Hi everyone, Ray here. So ShopBack basically is an app that allows you to earn money or earn cash back whenever you make a purchase on an online shop using their app. So the first thing you need to do is install the app. ShopBack is available on both Apple and Android devices, so you can get it on either the App Store or the Google Play Store. What I suggest is that you use a referral code when you download ShopBack because it allows you and the referrer to get 100 peso cash back for free once you purchase anything worth 300 pesos. Both the referrer and the referee gets 100 pesos. You can use my referral code right here, and you guys can also post your referral codes on the comments so others can use them too. In order to get the referral code, you just go to account and invite a friend. Just copy the referral code. And if you often use a PC or a laptop, you can also download the Google Chrome extension so you can track your cashback through your browser. Once you download, then you can make your first purchase. In order to earn, what you do is to make a purchase through the ShopBack app. I first open the app that I'd like to use, let's say Shopee, and I add it to my cart. Okay, for example, I'm going to buy the CCTV, home CCTV. I add to cart, and okay, add to cart. And once I do that, I close the app, and then I open ShopBack. Okay, so once I open ShopBack, I search for the shop. Let's say Shopee. Okay, I'll just select Shopee. Click it, and just continue to app. So basically, all you need to do is open the app that you want to make your purchase from through ShopBack. I'll order as usual. I'll just go to my cart and then proceed to checkout. Once I place the order, I will be notified that I have some pending ShopBack purchases. You can do this for any app where you can purchase anything online. Lazada, you can go to Foodpanda. You do need to make your transactions via online purchases. For example, you have here Uniqlo, but then this doesn't apply when you buy from the shop itself. You need to buy their items through their online app, not from the actual brick and mortar shop. I suggest that you do this also for travel apps or Klook or airline ticket purchases because these tend to cost a large amount of money, like thousands. Once you purchase these tickets or these items through the ShopBack app, you will also get a higher cash return. Just remember that whenever you make a purchase online, try to search the merchant in the app so that you can make the most out of your purchase. You can also add shops that you regularly use on your watch list. Click watch list and then add like a store that you usually use. For example, I usually use Foodpanda and Shopee. Those are the two main apps that I use. Okay, and then just click on the heart, and now it's added on your watch list. Okay, so if you want to withdraw your money from ShopBack, just go to withdraw cashback. But of course, you need to set up your bank account details first, and then just go to bank transfer or e-wallet transfer. Select your bank account or your e-wallet, and then just withdraw. By the way, the minimum amount for withdrawal is 200 pesos. You can also add or manage your payment methods. Just click here and then select e-wallet, GCASH. You can add a credit or a debit card. By the way, the amount you see here is my lifetime earnings. This is my earnings ever since I started using ShopBack way back April 2019. You can see here available balance. This is the available balance that I could withdraw, but of course I couldn't withdraw it yet because the minimum is 200 pesos. Pending earnings. This is the amount that I've accumulated from my recent purchases, but it is still pending for withdrawal. As you can see here, says here available by June 12, 2022. You could actually see the details here. And yeah, the withdrawn amount is the amount I've already withdrawn. Withdrawal history, you'll see that I've withdrawn before. So you can see that I have some pending amounts here. These confirmed transactions are money that was already placed in my balance, which I can already withdraw. But you do need to be careful also, because there are some transactions that may be declined. Okay, so for example, I have here a transaction that was rejected because you can see its reason. It can be because I canceled the purchase. It didn't count as ShopBack or cashback through ShopBack. So that's basically it. That is how you use ShopBack. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope you learned something here. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order for you to be notified for more videos similar to these. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Enjoy shopping. What you do is to make a purchase through the ShopBack app. Through the ShopBack app.